Speciality chemicals are formulated for specific functions and performance outcomes across diverse sectors. They're used in small volumes but deliver high value in targeted processes. At ReAgent, we manufacture and supply bespoke chemical blends for niche and technical applications. Our products are used in areas like electronics, diagnostics, cleaning, and surface treatments where off-the-shelf chemicals won't do. We develop acids, solvents, and multi-component blends customized for your specific process. Whether you're solving a formulation challenge or scaling a prototype, we can help. We specialize in custom manufacturing, offering flexible volumes, formulation support, and responsive lead times. All products are made under ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 systems, with batch-level quality checks and traceability. If your process depends on tailored chemistry, ReAgent is the partner to work with. Get in touch to discuss your requirements.